You must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must go to your keyboard, and if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. You can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must tap here 230. After tapping 230 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that a population menu symbol you have created in our computer using this shortcut method. Okay, I'll show you one more method. For doing this you must tab like this 00B5. So you must tab like this 00B5. After that you must type press these two keys, alt key and S key. You must press these two keys at the same time. So after typing like this and pressing these two keys at the same time, it will also result in creating the same symbol. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.